Welcome back to Learning with the Difference, news headlines in English for 22nd June. And first of all, national news. UP Chief Minister Governor performed yoga in Lucknow. International Yoga Day, Odisha sand artist Sudarshan Patnaik created sculpture featuring PM Modi. Regimental system will remain untouched under Agnipath, NSA Ajit Doval. Landslide blocked arterial road in Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar. Landslides and floods have damaged 524 houses in 87 villages since April. Agnipath, three service chiefs arrived at PM Modi's residence for meeting on Tuesday evening. Ruchira Kamboj appointed as India's permanent representative to UN. Three paramilitary personnel killed in Maoist ambush in Odisha. And now some international news. Chinese town banned entry of Tesla cars ahead of crucial summer summit. Hong Kong's iconic floating jumbo restaurant sank in South China Sea. No crew members were injured during the incident. Protesters attacked India Embassy yoga event in Maldives. 6 people have been arrested in connection with the incident. South Korea launched space rocket in second attempt after October failure. Russia caused catastrophic destruction in East Ukraine city. Macau hotel locked down after COVID outbreak. 700 people quarantined. And now some sports news. World number 3 Novak Djokovic will head into next week's Grand Slam Wimbledon 2022 as the men's top 8. Bengal's veteran cricketer Manoj Tiwari scored centuries in Ranji Trophy quarters and semis. For him, it's cricket in morning, paperwork in evening. And that's all in news. Thank you to all of you.